Is that good? You like drinking the water? Here is Mackenzie just loving playing in the rain. You like playing in the rain? Can you say rain? Please? Drinking the water that's falling from the eavesdrops. Can you say rain? Rain! 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 You're getting all wet. Is that fun? Is that good? Rain! Rain! It's dripping. Okay, should we go see Mom? Huh? You don't want to go see Mom? I think we should go in the house and get warm. Don't you think? Or you just want to get wet, do ya? Rain. You just want to get wet. Okay.